We use the guillotine cutters a lot. We do a lot of 6 and 8 inch jobs, so we use the 6 and 8 inch guillotine cutters. We got to make sure that it's a preferred tool for the gas companies that we work for. Always want to ground your tool before you bring it to the pipe. Make sure the latch is insecure there. You want to make sure your tool is centered on the pipe. Well, there's a V block on the bottom of that guillotine cutter, so that kind of holds your pipe like this in the center. Same thing, you want to go real slow with your downforce. Give it some time to relax, momentarily pauses. You can feel it when it hits onto that V, and then you know you're square. But the guillotines, they do a nice job, they do a nice square job. I mean, if I hold this straight up and down like this, you can pretty much see kind of
it's pretty much square.
Nice square cut. We have them set up in our 28 machine trailers. There's always a set of guillotine reed cutters in each trailer. We always use reed.